Now, I think sometimes we get stuck with how to apply AI at work. We might be using ChatGPT and so forth, but it's so much bigger than that now with AI agents. But you can often be asking yourself the question, well, could we do? And so one of the ways to do this is to use AI with specific tools to brainstorm. So for example, here I'm going to build an organizational chart with ideas around AI agents and automations. So imagine that I'm in a real estate agency, I'm a marketing team, sales team. We might have operations, for example, we might call property management. We'll add that in. You can add in the different sort of department pillars and then say what number of employees we have onshore and offshore. And then with that, we can then look at the ideas and the impact. So let's say we put in example annual salary rates for our team members onshore and offshore. And then next we'll see a summary and then generate the organizational chart to generate ideas on where AI agents and automations can be applied. And so from here, let's say we select this one here, property manager, and we'll click on here to use the AI to actually come up with some ideas for AI agents that can be used, as well as automations. So we've got tenant communication intelligence, property maintenance requests, lease agreement analysis assistant. That one looks interesting, and we've got automation. So if I looked at this particular agent, it'd give us a description on what it can do and some forecasted savings as well. So then we can have a look at automations. So things like property inspection, scheduling, document management. So it looks at where automations are compliance. From there, we can go off and build them, which is pretty cool. But this is a good starting point to just bring up the ideas in generation of what's possible utilizing AI agents and automations. If you like this and you'd like me to help you come up with some ideas for your specific business and industry, just hit me up. Comment agents below, and make sure you like and follow me, connect with me on LinkedIn, and let's have some time coming up with some ideas to help you in your organization.